Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off easy mode on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now scroll down, tap on display and scroll down again. Then choose easy mode over here and click on the switcher to activate it. As you can see, easy mode is now on. If you wish to switch it off, go into settings, tap on display again, go into easy mode section over here and click on the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!